Constable Noel Maitland is seeking bail after he was charged with the disappearance of social media influencer Donnelly Donaldson. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Constable Noel Maitland, the boyfriend of missing social media influencer Donnelly Donaldson, made his third court appearance on Friday to seek bail. The matter was transferred from the Kingston and St. Andrew Parish Court to the Home Circuit Court in downtown Kingston. A specific time frame is now set for prosecutors to gather evidence to make the disclosure against the accused, Judge Vinette Graham says, and those timelines are important to adequately disclose needed. The constable, who is also a music producer, appeared with his legal team minutes after 11 a.m. in a dark grey jacket suit. One of his lawyers, Chadwick Berry, explained to the judge that the defendant is yet to know the position of he is in due to the Crown inability to present a complete case file for prosecution. Save it, says Justice Chester Crooks, who immediately dismissed the attorney's remarks while noting that he must be careful of what is being said as the court of public opinion is woefully misinformed. Subsequently, Judge Crooks says that the matter here in the parish court was concluded and will be transferred to the Supreme Court in downtown Kingston effective immediately. So said, so done, as Maitland was transferred to the circuit court, where he appeared with 3 members of his legal team minutes after 2 in the presence of a relative of the deceased. The prosecutors then explained to the judge Vinette Graham Allen that a partial disclosure was made to the defendant at the parish court, noting that there are additional statements to be served, including forensic evidence. After which, Judge Graham Allen approved the time frame requested by the Crown to gather additional evidence to complete the case evidence for prosecution. The Crown asserts that once documents are collected, full disclosure will be made. The case file is expected to be completed on November 11th. However, Maitland's attorney says that bail application could still be made for his client prior to the completion of the case evidence. As such, a new bail hearing was set and agreed upon by the judge, and this is set for October the 4th at 10 a.m. The judge then ordered Maitland to be remanded in custody until his bail hearing. The judge then ordered Mr. Noel Maitland to be remanded in custody until his bail hearing. Meanwhile, scores of relatives and loved ones of Donnelly Donaldson were outside the courthouse demanding justice for the missing female. Links 007 TV will continue to track this story and provide more information to come on this. Thanks for watching.